Okay, so then we'll move on to the UX piece of it. So, what is user experience? This is basically the overall experience, how people feel about what they're experiencing, how they're using the applications, these AR, VR, MR experiences. And it really matters on how easy this is to use and how quickly something responds to your interactions with it. And that's very, very important in AR, especially because it is interspersed with your reality. It has to perform well and catch up to your movements. So, what is UX? You probably have heard the term UI before. User experience is about these different aspects of telling the story, how you're engaging the user, the people to use the app. It has some sort of objective about how the app is supposed to be used, whether it's being helpful, whether it's helping you solve some sort of problem, do some sort of task. And then there's also aspects of usability because these days, if an app is not easy to use and it's not intuitive, then people really don't want to engage with it or use it. So that making sure that that's highly usable and effective is very important in UX. And then when it comes to the user interface itself, this is how that experience is delivered, the layout of how something is put together on the screen, how it looks visually, if there's some sort of branding, usually there is associated with it. And then the interactivity of it and how things move and how the little things respond to what you're doing to it. That's all the UI, how the experience is being delivered. And from a VR or XR perspective, that includes the real world. So when you're designing user interfaces for that, overlaying it on the real world, you have a lot more things to consider than a two-dimensional screen on your phone.